Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Princess, and if this is your first time, feel free to look around my channel and consider subscribing if you are not already, okay? And if this is your second time or you're coming back to this channel, thank you so much for tuning in again and welcome back, okay? So today I want to share with you guys how I make this fried fish with onion sauce recipe that I enjoy eating growing up. So I wanted to share with you guys how I make it. It is super easy, very quick, and it's so delicious. Okay, I enjoy this and I'm sure you guys are gonna love it. So if you want to see how I make this, make sure you stay tuned and watch the rest of the video. Okay guys, so I have my ingredients here and I have some seasoning cubes like Maggi cubes or bouillon cubes. I have 1.5 teaspoon of black pepper and I have a whole tablespoon of garlic paste and some scotch bonnets, which is hebanaro pepper that I chopped into tiny pieces, okay? So that aside, I have my onions. I have the yellow onions, which is the white one, and the red onions. And I also have some bell peppers. You can use the green, red, and yellow, but I have only red and yellow right here, so that's okay. And I also have my fish here with some lemon, and I'm also going to be using some mustard. Here I have the African mustard, but you can use whichever one you have, okay? All right, so now we're going to go ahead and um, put some incisions on our fish. That's very important because we're going to be juicing some of these lemon that we have, just to reduce some of that fishy smell since we're going to be frying this, okay? So go ahead and wipe your fish to reduce any moisture. And we're going to go ahead and now squeeze our lemon onto our fish. All right, now I am just taking some salt and sprinkling it onto our fish for some, seasoning. And that will be it for the fish. Just lemon and salt and we are good to go. Alright guys, after we season our fish with our lemon and salt, we are gonna go ahead now and put our pot onto the stove and get ready for frying. I put some oil, about 5 cups of oil in my pot, and I'm gonna let that heat up before I put my fish in to fry. By the way, you can deep fry your fish if you want, or you can just fry it in the pot. It really doesn't matter. At the end of the day, we're going to reduce all this oil because we don't need it. We just need it for frying. And as you guys can see, I went ahead and added my fish into the frying pan, and we are going to be frying this until it is golden brown. Alright guys, our fish is frying and we went ahead and flip it to the other side until both sides are brown, then we're going to take it out. It is so beautiful guys. Look at that. Let me give you guys um, some of the sizzling, okay? Because I've been talking and can you hear that guys? It is sizzling so beautifully. And make sure you don't over fry your fish because I don't like over fried fish. So we need some meat on it, okay? So I went ahead and took my fish and set it aside, and now we're gonna go ahead and reduce the oil that we have in the pot. Like I said, we don't need all that oil, so we're gonna take as much as we can until it's about 3/4 of a cup left, or maybe half a cup left. And then now we're gonna go ahead and add our chopped vegetables, which is the onions and bell peppers. We're gonna give that a good stir. The colors are amazing. It's already looking beautiful and we're not even done yet, okay? Alrighty, and we are gonna go ahead and just add the remaining ingredients that we have, which is the garlic paste, the scotch bonnets, and our black pepper. And we're gonna go ahead and continue stirring this. This is gonna be cooking on medium heat until about 7 to 10 minutes, right about that time, and we will be done before you know. Like I said, this is super quick, very delicious, and amazing. You're gonna love it. All right, guys, it is almost done. At this point, it's been over 7 minutes, and we gonna keep stirring and stirring. But at this point, we are done, and this gravy or onion sauce is ready to be served. Okay, it's ready to be served. Go ahead and like this video if you did not already. Please like the video, and if you're not subscribed, touch on that subscribe button. Voila, guys, we are done, and you can just go ahead and serve this with the fried fish and enjoy to the core. Okay, you can also enjoy this with some vegetables like cucumbers and carrots, which I'm going to be using to garnish this meal, but you can enjoy it the way it is as well. Okay. Alright guys, this is it for this fried fish and onion sauce recipe, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Like, share, and subscribe, and of course I will see you in my next one. Thank you and bye.